You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. A seasoning, traditional Japanese seasoning. If you want to learn more food names from Japan that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you at the end of this one. Miso. So the Japanese pronunciation is miso. Miso is how they say it. Miso ramen, the ramen noodles, or miso soup, miso paste, miso seasoning. In English, the pronunciation is simply miso. Miso. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.